Welcome to our tutorial on allowing X, Twitter, to access your files with the latest update. By following these steps, you can grant X the necessary permissions to interact with your files and media seamlessly. To begin, open the Settings app on your device, where you can access and manage various settings for your apps and device preferences. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps or Application Manager, depending on your device, to view and control the settings for individual apps. Find and select X, Twitter, from the list of apps displayed on your screen, taking you to the specific settings for the X app. Within the X app settings, tap on Permissions to control and customize the permissions granted to the app on your device. Toggle on the switch next to Files and Media or Storage to grant X access to your files, essential for enabling X to interact with your media content effectively. Finally, select Allow Access to Media, confirming and granting X the necessary permissions to access and interact with your media files. By following these steps, you can ensure that X, Twitter, has the access it needs to your files and media, enhancing your user experience on the platform. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has helped you successfully enable X to access your files. Enjoy seamless file sharing and communication using X.